So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom group share. So previously, when we've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed what are the important supports and resistances. So today, again, we have seen a little bit of correction in BCG and have received many questions. Can we book profit or can we have a fresh entry? So there are various questions related to this particular stock. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before going to the technical charts of Brightcom group, so morning itself in the Telegram group I've told that it is facing a little bit of correction and we'll discuss all the important levels. So clearly I've mentioned that in Telegram group, and also on regular basis I'm discussing penny stocks on weekly basis. So if you're enjoying the videos, do like it. So if you like, then only I'll understand that you are interested in watching these videos. So if not, I will also not get that particular clarity. So do like it and also join the Telegram group because it's very important. So certain stocks I'm discussing there itself, few stocks have given very good return in just 2 to 3 sessions. So one such stock was Vakarange. So like that you can take that benefit. So I'll provide details below. So now let's start our discussion on Brightcom group. So first we'll go to the technical charts. So both on weekly chart and daily chart, we'll see all the possible levels. Okay, so if you try to observe the weekly chart of Brightcom group, so we can see today it has closed somewhere around 179.65 rupees level with almost 4.69% downfall. So last week when I discussed about Brightcom group, so clearly I mentioned that unless it doesn't cross the 200 rupees level, I clearly mentioned don't buy in heavy quantities because closing is very important. So that closing Brightcom group could not complete in the previous sessions. So that is one of the reason why the stock today it has started correcting. So it has given already a huge uptrend. So multi-fold returns were already generated by the company. So when those things happen, so little bit of pullback or reversal happens. Profit booking happens. You need to accept that. So once that profit booking completes, again the stock will start reversing in the upside direction. So many people have done fresh entries near 190. Some people have taken around 200. So few even today also, I guess they have done various average position. So I have received many messages. So their doubt is whether I can hold the stocks or I should sell it. So that is major questions that I have received. So clearly hold it. So don't worry about that. So even if you're buying at the high levels, obviously I think you have taken at small portions itself. Even if you have taken at heavy quantities, so we'll discuss all the important support zones that you need to focus and what would be the immediate targets. So that also we'll try to discuss in daily chart. So in weekly chart, much data is not visible because last week we have seen indecision type of candle has been generated. So this particular candle where almost buyers and sellers were fighting with each other. So sellers point of view was to bring the stock down. Buyers were trying to take the stock above 200, but because of market volatility, so stock has completely moved in a flat zone. Okay, so now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so now if you try to observe the daily chart, so as I told, 200 rupees, almost 2 times the stock has approached but could not sustain there. It has started correcting. So same thing this time also it happened. So now the stock may touch the 170 rupees level also. So keep that particular level in radar. So after 170 we have again the 160 rupees level in the near term. So these two levels are going to be very important, so keep them in radar. So I'll tell when to average in Telegram group also, so don't worry about it. So once you're a long-term investor, so think like a long-term investor, so don't have that panic mind of selling every time. So if you are feeling that you're missing out the profit, so just book partial profit. So that is for your satisfaction. So apart from that, everything is good, nothing to worry. Only thing is the stock has given a huge rally. So once that huge rally happens, so little bit of profit booking is expected, and that is what is happening right now. Okay, so any stock, TTML also you can take the same example. It also went up, again it has come down, so now again it has started to retrace. So few days you need to cooperate with the market, you need to cooperate with the stock also. So watch out the levels. So as I told, 170 followed by 160 are the near term levels, so keep those in radar. So any further questions you can ask in the comment section, and you can also connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.